Hello, fabulous folks. Today, we're embarking on a journey of vibrant flavors with our ultimate Berry Bliss Smoothie. Buckle up for a taste explosion, and if you're as excited as I am, hit that like button and let's dive into the world of fruity goodness. We're kicking things off with a handful of mixed berries, the dynamic trio of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Not only do they bring a burst of color, but each berry contributes its unique flavor to our concoction. To bring a luscious creaminess and a natural sweetness to our blend, let's introduce a ripe banana into the mix. This humble fruit will not only elevate the texture but also add a delightful sweetness without the need for extra sugar. Now, let's take our smoothie to the next level by incorporating a generous scoop of Greek yogurt. This addition not only enhances the smoothie's richness but also brings a protein-packed punch, making it a wholesome treat. To add a nutty twist and provide the perfect liquid base, pour in some almond milk. It not only complements the berry flavors but also ensures our smoothie achieves that perfect sippable consistency. Hit that blend button and let the magic happen. Watch as the vibrant colors swirl together, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. Keep blending until you achieve that silky smooth consistency. With our ultimate Berry Bliss smoothie now perfected, pour it into a glass, witnessing the captivating layers of reds, blues, and pinks. It's not just a drink, it's a visual feast. Thanks for joining our ultimate Berry Bliss Smoothie Extravaganza. If you enjoyed this fruity adventure, subscribe for more exciting recipes. Stay vibrant, stay fruity, and keep sipping on those delicious smoothies.